and Faith Evans, and your chance to get $1,000. So it happened again. All right? Whatever word they tell you to text. Text it to 200-200 when you hear that word. All right, also, look, hit up our website, wyldfm.com, and click in the contest section. Cast a vote, and you can win a trip to our iHeartRadio Music Awards in Los Angeles. Go to wyldfm.com, keyword iHeartRadio.
From the Cypress Bayou Casino Hotel Traffic Center.
Still seeing extremely heavy traffic on your way to the east bank of the Crescent City connection after an accident was cleared. We're still seeing thick traffic starting at Manhattan Boulevard. Traffic is also starting to build up if you're traveling westbound on the West Bank Expressway. Delays building up between Ames and Highway 90 if you're traveling toward the UEP. Also, watch for slowing in Metairie. We've got word of an accident I-10 westbound at Veterans. And Lisa Bakke, follow us on Twitter at Total Traffic.
This report is brought to you by Taco Bell. Ochsner Rehabilitation Hospital is hiring full-time and PRN, RNs, CNAs, PTs, OTs, SLPs, and rehabilitation aides. Bring your resume to the open house at 2614 Jefferson Highway, February 6th, 1 to 6 p.m. or February 7th, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Tonight, on Fox's hit singing competition, The Four, the finale, is almost here. Yes! The Four have fought hard to keep their seats.
I love you so much.
You know, you look like a superstar.
But their biggest battle is yet to come.
You better dig deeper than you ever have in your life.
When fan favorites from the season, Shavaya, Saeed, Ash, and Candace, return to try and steal their seats back.
Games is over. No mercy ahead. Nobody's safe.
Who will make it to the finale and win it all, including being named iHeartRadio's On the Verge artist.
It will be a night of epic battles you don't want to miss.
The Four, Battle for Stardom, hosted by Fergie.
Let's go!
Fox has the Four. Wendy's has the 4 for $4. Get a sandwich, 4 nuggets, fries, and a drink for just $4 at participating locations. Try 8 meals and pick your favorite. Then go to fox.com/Wendy's for unseen footage from this week's episode.
It's the big price drop at Mattress Firm. We've dropped the price of a king to a queen and the price of a queen to a twin. Save up to $700 off every brand, like Serta, Beautyrest, and more. Which means people everywhere are enjoying a good night's sleep on bigger beds for bigger savings. The big price drop at Mattress Firm. King for the price of a queen, queen for the price of a twin. Hurry in today to save up to $700 off every brand, like Serta, Beautyrest, and more. Your budget stretches further.
You ready? You thought I was coming close?
It's the big price drop at Mattress Firm. We've dropped the price of a king to a queen and the price of a queen to a twin. Save up to $700 off every brand,
gotta go
like Serta, Beautyrest, and more. Which means everyone will have more room to stretch. Their budgets and on their beds.
Yeah, oh wait. I got you
king for the price of a queen,
tuna
queen for the
sub.
price of a twin. Hurry in today to save up to $700 off every brand. Your budget stretches further at Mattress Firm.
How was your day?
MattressFirm.com/sale for details.
How was your day?
Febreze Car presents When Stinks Interrupt.
Thanks for the ride, sis.
It was good. I'm glad it was good, bro. I'm glad. Don't start that. There. Stop. Calm down. What you laughing at?
Pick up Febreze Car and pick up your brother. Febreze Car has 2 new ways to drive away embarrassing odors. Now available without heavy perfumes or with extra scent.
Do you want to make 2018 the year you get your life back? If you have a problem with drugs, but don't know what to do, Talent Center has a solution. Don't wait another day. Call 504-322-1884 or visit talentcenterla.com/hope. Remember, it's not rehab, it's Talent Center.
Paid non-attorney spokesperson paid for by OpenJar. Attention! If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be entitled to significant compensation. For decades, many Americans working in the trades were exposed to environmental hazards without their knowledge. While the dangers of one such airborne threat, asbestos, have long been known, efforts were made to hide the risks from the public. The result is thousands of cases of asbestos-induced those who worked in these trades and who were exposed to asbestos have been harmed by hundreds of companies who reduced asbestos.
Oh, look at all that. Look at this funeral. So, see all them cops? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look. I was on the phone with Lisa. Lisa, they sent me.
Why they call me again? Why she keep calling me?
She was calling you because she got that letter. I got mine today saying that I'm going to be mama rep.